So here is this one info. And if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for more future updates like this. So in this short tutorial, I want us to look at how to create a WebSocket file on SocksIP. Okay, so in this method, we are not going to use any payload nor this in SSH account. Okay, or the only thing that you need is your bag host. Okay, so let's get into it. So first of all, let's go and get our bag host from this1info.com. So let's go to our Chrome. So let's type this1info.com. Okay, it is there. So let's click on it. Then you click on it to open. Okay, so this is the home page. On the home page, you click on bag host generator. Then you scroll down a little bit. So you see this one. Choose a continent and a country to generate SNI. So you click on select continent. So the continent that you choose, I'm in Africa. So I'll select Africa. Then the country, you come select the country. I'm in Ghana. I'm a Ghanaian. So I'll scroll down. Okay, so Ghana is down there. You click on Ghana. After that, you come and click on generate. On generate to generate. Okay, so there are a lot of bag hosts over here. So you choose the one that is best for you. Okay, so after choosing it, you just click on copy. Okay, click on copy. Then you scroll down. You have to convert it to an IP address, because with the SocksIP or the SocksIP, if you use only the bag host to connect, sometimes it won't, and it becomes very difficult to use it. Okay, so let's scroll down to the host to IP converter. So there is it. You click on it. Okay, so you scroll down a little. Then you paste it here. You paste the host name. Okay, click. You paste. Then you click on convert. Good. So it has converted the host name to some IP addresses for us. So I'll just go in for the first one. But any of them that you want, you can just use. Okay, you just click on copy. It will copy it automatically onto your phone's clipboard for you. Okay, so copy it. Now we are done. So let's go to the SocksIP. So in the SocksIP, if you don't have it, this is the SocksIP. So if you don't have it, you can go to Play Store. So you can go to Play Store, then you just type SocksIP. Okay, so if you don't have it, you just click on install. Click on install and it will install it for you. Okay, I think they recently released a new update, so I will have to update the app. Okay, so I have to update it before I continue with this installation. The configuration. So you are done updating. So after updating, you come to the top over here, the three dots over there. Click on it. Then you come and select import/export. Good. Then you come to reset config. Click on reset config. You have to reset it to the default state. Okay, then start all the connections afresh. When you are done, you come to the gear button. You click on that one too. Then you come to the crown over there. This one is to show an ad, because you are going to use their service. So this is an inbuilt server that you are going to use. Okay, so the server already have it. This and how do you call it? It has this one, the username, the password, everything already. Okay, so you are going to use it, and it's actually not for free. Just that you are going to watch an ad. So you click on you wait for the servers to load. Good, so the servers have loaded, so you click on the one that is best for you. Yeah, I normally go in for this one, Amsterdam EU. It's left with 15 hours more for it to expire. Okay, so you click on it in order to view an ad before you can use it. So click on it, so you can read what they are saying. Approve video bonus. Okay, so yes, that is going to show. So after watching the ad, you see server added. Thank you for your support. Then you come to this side, tunnel mode. You click on the request tunnel. Then you come and select custom WebSocket. Click on it. Then you scroll down here, configure free WS, which is the WebSocket. You click on that one too. Then here, this section that you are going to paste in the host IP. This is the IP address that you got after converting the host name to IP. That IP address, you come and paste it here. Okay, so let's click and hold, then you paste. Okay, now everything is set, so you just click on save to save it. Save, then you come to back, you go back to the main interface. Then you come and click on start. When it connects, you see the notification down here. So let's click on start. So it is connected. Okay, so this is how to go about it. So you can go and watch everything. You can go to YouTube. Okay, just to test whether it is really working. So like I say, if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more updates like this. Okay, if you want to learn how to use VPN to get data bundles at a cheaper prices and all that, you can stick to my channel for more updates like this. Kindly share with your friends. If you don't understand anything, leave your in the comment section. I'll respond to it. Thank you.